I'm not sure आप लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं कि इसका इंटेंसिटी कितना है, बट इट इज़ वेरी वेरी गुड. Hey guys, welcome to the new vlog. I've seen कि आज हम अनबॉक्सिंग कर रहे हैं my new lights. I have ordered this from a guy named Vimal. डिस्क्रिप्शन में उनका कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स ऐड कर रहा हूँ. I was waiting since a long time for these lights. So with the package you can see it is properly wrapped. It's 3 to 3.5 kgs. So let's start with the unboxing. So now let's start the unboxing. As you can see that I ordered this material at my office address. I have hidden the address. Just to make it clear, this is not a promotional video. This is just unboxing of the Gold Runway lights. So let's start. Box is in a decent shape. There are no damages on the box. These are Gold Runway GR70X. Got some good reviews on these lights that these are very powerful. These are like in comparison to clear water. चलो भाई इसको पहले अभी खोल देते हैं. कल से बहुत एक्साइटमेंट हो रही है. एप्पल वाली फीलिंग आ रही है. I think this is just a cloth. Oh wow, they have given me a free bandana. Thank you Vimal bhai, thank you so much. Okay, so what's in the box? As I have ordered with the yellow filter, अभी जैसे कि बारिश का मौसम है, there are some clamps. Nuts. This is a can opener kit. अरे खुल जा भाई. Yes, this is a can opener kit. This goes to the battery, positive, negative, fuse. Both connectors to the light. This is supposed to go to the switch. Yes, this is a switch. I'll just wrap it up. You can, I don't understand if you can hear the click or not. Nice. I think this will go this way. I don't know. Yes, this will directly connect to the can opener. Yep. Sure. These all will go this way. Now the main thing. Yes. Oh my god, this is so solid. Wow, there are no damages. The product looks so good. Wow, this is like what, 800 grams maybe. The connections are so clean. This looks so solid. Oh yeah, the surface will be hot. This is such a premium product. Right now one of my friend is using Sevina, and I can figure it out. I mean, this is really up to the mark. Thank you Vimal bhai for suggesting me these lights. These are the extra clamps which I have ordered for my crash bar. Yes, these are the crash bar clamps. Yep. The nuts. Lovely. So I'll just put everything inside. So now I'll just keep them in front. Gold Runway guys, a good deal. So you can see the lights. I will be installing these on my Ion 883 Harley Davidson, and after installation we'll see the power, we'll see how it is performing on the road. I have some rides planned up in next week. Till then, see you. So this is today's setup. क्या कर रहे हैं हम? कौन सी लाइटिंग? दिवाली की लाइटिंग? फिक्सिंग दिस लाइट. 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Good. क्या एक्सप्लेन करूँ, समझ में नहीं आ रहा. So now we are fixing this Gold Runway GR70X. I'll show you. You can go back a little. So we have a switch here. I want to connect the switch. इसकी जो दो wires है, this will connect to the lights on the crash bar. This wire will go in the ignition cable, and there is one more. This will connect to our batteries, right? शुरू करते हैं. तो बेसिकली इसका कैन ओपनर किट कहाँ फिट करूँ, इसके लिए कोई जगह ही नहीं है. आई कैन शो यू. इतनी सी जगह में इसको फिट कैसे करूँ? इसके यहाँ पे पूरी की पूरी सीट आएगी. आई एम नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. कुछ ना कुछ तो जुगाड़ करना ही पड़ेगा. सो हमारी फिटिंग बाकी है ना लाइट्स की. चलो एक छोटी सी जगह है, थोड़ा क्रैम्प अप करना पड़ेगा. पूरा वायरिंग पास कर लेते हैं एंड देन विल फिक्स अप द लाइट्स का सेटअप बहुत इजी है. ये इसका वायर्स कहाँ से पास करूँ यार? अरे हार्ली वालों कुछ जगह तो छोड़ो यार. पंद्रह मिनट के बाद में एक वायर पास हुई है. वायरिंग का सेट है. So now we are done. Done है रे. ना मैं नज़दीक बता, कुछ दिखेगा नहीं. Now finally I am done with the setup. Wiring, everything is done. सब हो गया है. I hope I've done it right. I was having this TagLab battery charger and अब मौका मिला है तो सोच लिया कि इसको भी कनेक्ट ही कर दो. So I'll show you. So you can see now this is the can opener kit. I have connected directly with my battery and now this I have connected with my ignition. थोड़ा वायरिंग और थोड़ा बाकी है. Bike was having this Harley's original charging cable, but I am not having this Harley's original charger. I bought this C4 TagLab from Amazon, and it is working quite fine. So I was having a spare set of charging cable from the same system. So I thought of wiring it with the harness. So now the wiring is done. I think I should try it once. मैंने already battery भी charging पे रख दिया है. Can you hold this? Can you? Hi. Okay. So now the moment of truth. I'm not sure आप लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं कि इसका इंटेंसिटी कितना है, but it is very good. So I can show you my stock lights. These are my stock. If I remove these covers, the setting is down. Voila, white lights. And I can set them as per my preference for my highway needs. You can come again. We'll show it that way. Wow. So now I've not started my bike because it is already connected with a charging cable, so it won't affect my battery life as of now.